So today, guys, we're going to tow my sister's boat, like 5 miles, this thing, to go get it inspected so that Hannah can get that thing up and running. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe if you do. We arrived 4 miles away from our house, working on my engine while waiting for the cops to show up so that they can inspect Hannah's boat and get a title for it. And so yeah, we made it without any problems. I was afraid it was going to overheat. Going back home. We weren't able to, the cops weren't able to inspect it because their like computer stuff was down, so I guess we'll do it